I'm going to go over TSLA. Trader JD Dollar says he loves Tesla, and so do I. I actually drive one, and it is the funnest car I've ever owned. I love my Tesla. Now, we ended the day at $342.27, up 0.68%. It's been a very long time since I checked out this ticker. We are basically at the middle of the trend, which I will mark out in just a moment. But to the north side takes us to roughly $349.77. This is one level of resistance and a potential take profit area. Above that, at 3 standard deviations, takes us to 353.96. And down the road, we are looking at roughly $358.46. This yellow line is a line that I marked out in 2024, and this is an old price target line, and this was a line I drew in 2025. The purple represents 2025. Now, the middle of the trend line is right there. Let me change the color. 2026 is in blue. So one level of support and a potential buy-in area, and an area where we could grind sideways would be at roughly 341.34. Below that takes us to one level of support and another potential take profit area at 332.96. Many levels of support and resistance in between. On the way down, it's support. On the way up, resistance. Take profit. So below that, again, this is 2024. We're just retracing, grinding in a range, getting back to 2024 levels. 328.63 and at negative 4 standard deviations and a potential buy-in area as well as potential stop loss area, 324.37. Looking left, what happened? You can see there was a clear buy signal here. This is a clear sell signal all along here. Sometimes we hit it, sometimes we don't. Then there was a pullback. On the way up, this is resistance, just grinding along the middle of the trend, breaking free, gapping up. This is resistance, take profit, and then another potential take profit zone. And then what do? Sell off. People are taking their profits and they're running. They're locking in and they are leaving. And what happens? This is support, busted through. This is support. And then we bounced off of this line basically and then back up to resistance. So it appears there is a gap here that will take us down. I marked this out for myself, but I never made a video because I own this stock and I like to look at it. I know a lot of people follow Tesla. This should be in red to denote to the downside action. That's a pullback area. Here's support and a bounce. Now let's look at this on the daily. But before I do, the 1-year price target is 374.27, which represents a 9.35% return from where we are. Okay, this is an old line. We hit it already and fell. All right, this is the target. Now let's go to the daily. Now my chart is going to look like a hot mess because I have tracked this for years. Okay, oops, option R. And that's why I don't like to show you on the daily, because when I mark things out, it looks wonky. But I don't need any of these horizontal lines. I do this so that people can see how important charting is and marking out levels for yourself if you're new to trading. See, here's the red. And then the white to the south side. Okay, well, let's go to the red first since I'm here. To the south side on the daily, bigger time frame, a roughly 312.56. And then after that, 264.72. I'm not even going to go down to negative 4 standard deviations. Okay, to the upside, the next level from where we are in the long term, $409.51. Oh, what do we have here? See, I would have never seen this. All right, that's going to take us back to $390.42. This is an old price target that I marked out that we hit. When did I mark it? Oh, see, look, it's, oops, starting to look like a hot mess. But I know exactly what every single line represents. It's just I don't delete anything, so you can see that I actually did track this. So where was that line? Right here. So I marked this line out. It looks like, oops. Let's just, oh, right here. Okay, on Thursday, December 5th of 2024. And we did not hit it. Well, let's see, I marked it here. It's so hard to tell. But we hit it right there on Monday, September 15th of 2025. And look at this. Apparently I wrote that in 2020. I haven't looked at this forever. I'm not even going to show you what this looks like on the monthly, or do I? Look, we're going up in the RSI. That's a good sign. Well, let's just look at the RSI on the weekly. Oh, bouncing up. And on the monthly, bouncing up as well. Ooh, things are looking good. Are we firing on all 4 cylinders? I don't know. I don't think so just yet. So I own some here. I did not pay attention, did not set an alarm, an alert, or whatever, and I should. So I'm going to maybe take it and sell it up here at 358, or I could wait for the price target of 374. I already should have dumped out at one point, bought back in, but I didn't because I have so many tickers I track and trade. So the max here, it says 600 bucks. Oh my gosh, I'm dumping if we're getting there. I've traded this in the $1,000 range too, and I've sold it for my sister for profit in that range a long time ago. So watch out for this landmine to the south side, and I actually like it because that's a pullback. Oh, one thing on the daily. I'm going to show you where I bought. I've purchased this multiple times. Is this a gap or, oh, I guess I bought some here I still own. All right, in 2022 and 2021. Oh, we have, look at all these gaps. Well, I'm here, I might as well just extend it. Okay, Tesla whips us around, it beats us up, and then we come back begging for more, don't we? And Tesla too, I love playing. Okay, so I bought some here. I still own these shares, these lots at 112.25, 137.61, and 165.90, and then in the $200 and $300 range. But I'm going to sell that $300 range one because I'm going to then wait for a pullback. And some news, it says, oh, where did I see the, oh, I think I saw it on Yahoo Finance, something about Tesla and Tesla merging with SpaceX. I mean, we've heard about that before. We've heard the talk, but wouldn't that be amazing? My friend thinks that Elon is going to open up data centers in space. And then I have another neighbor who says there's no way because of something in the atmosphere. It's too, I don't know, too hot. He worked and retired out of the FAA as the big boss and thinks that's not possible. But I don't know. With Elon, I wouldn't bet against him. Never have. All right, that is a look at Tesla on the 5-minute, the daily, kind of a little bit on the weekly and the monthly, I guess. But let me just take it back to the 5. Option R. So I think I want to get out of this trade here. Okay, that does it for me. Have a great trading week. And JD Dollars, let me know if you're buying and selling.